Hello everyone! Today I'm gonna show you a fresh natural contour look using a modern easy technique instead of caked face. Let's get in together! First, I'm gonna take this creamy product from Charlotte Tilbury. The name is Contour Rand. I use it for all my clients and I'm kinda doing a cheek mark on the cheekbones and start puff that in right away direct to the hairline. With this product, you will get a very natural and blended shade on the cheekbones. And to make our forehead a bit smaller, I'm gonna apply it on the top part of the forehead to give a contour and shape. I usually work on the jawline also to give a shape to our face. Some people like to make a nose smaller and more narrow, so I'm taking a small brush, dipping in the contour band and blending on the two sides of the nose and making a wing to the eyebrows. You will need just a bit of the product, otherwise you will get too dark and sharp lines. For bronzing, I'm taking a contour palette from Sephora and repeat all contour zones with the same brush. Don't blend it too close to the lips, of course, if you don't want to have cheeks split in half. And highlighter. People like highlighter. For that, I'm gonna take a palette from Dior Backstage and blend it on the high point of the face, center of the nose and center of the forehead. This palette works absolutely for everyone and it doesn't have big sparkles in it, so just feel free to buy it. Does anyone know why we need blush? Anyone? No? Okay. So we need blush to make a face more fresh and healthy looking. So I'm gonna apply the Soft Pink Diffused Heat by Hourglass straight to the apples of the cheeks and blend upwards in a circular motion. I'm gonna finish the lips very quickly and you will see the result in a few seconds. Alright, this is what we got, very natural blended contouring without the dark and shape lines, and the face don't look caked at all. Thank you for watching, and if you like my video, please don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you soon!